Hey guys, welcome back to Aboard Navy Blue. Now today we're here in Cawsand and in less than an hour we're going to be crossing the channel to Guernsey. So wish us luck. Hello, good morning. It's now 5 o'clock and we're in the middle of the English Channel. We're about 2/5 of the way there and pretty clear horizon apart from one cargo ship, and I think there's another vessel behind it or something. But yeah, it's a bit rolly and we're downwind, so it is what it is. It's nice though. So we're just off the coast of Guernsey, just here, and we're all feeling very tired, just hoping to get in.
I'm raring to go this time because last time on camera I looked dreadful, so this time I'm going to pretend I'm a...
So how's it been, Dad? Have you got much sleep?
No. I think I've got an adrenaline button that doesn't switch off when I go on these long passages first time.
We're now in Guernsey. Our channel crossing really took everything out of us and we sort of lost quite a lot of energy. But we've now arrived in the midst of the 2023 Island Games. So we've managed to find our way out of the cycle races and we're now on the beach just by the marina, which is luckily dog friendly, and we went here last time. I had a little swim, but we're not swimming today. We might do later, don't know, but there's a huge, great big rock drawing of the 2023 Guernsey Island Games logo.
got back, we called an important meeting to discuss how we were going to get out the marina.
In forward gear
Can't go any further forward.
and turning.
And
to
it
forward.
went on
This is a cleat. There's nothing to do with anything else. Right?
and on
You've got a grip there and it has tight against that. You can hold it.
and on.
There's two things.
Until finally, I made some focaccia. The next morning, Dad, Ernie and I went for a walk.
Good morning, we're now currently walking in St Sampson. We've taken the dog for a walk and we're also going to get some food, trying to find a decent shop. German gun emplacement, not particularly nice really, just a daily reminder when you hear awful things that happened during the war. Bit of shopping at Waitrose. Now we're back in St Peter Port and we're just heading back to the marina. Pretty nice trip out, dog's happy. We had a drink at a pub, which was like proper British pub.
After we came back, I made some pizza for dinner. The next day, we didn't do much, but we got some shopping at the main supermarket on Guernsey. Just as we planned it worked perfectly. That day, we headed off for Herm, and then later on, Jersey.
Just on our way to the beach. Dad's just dropped Mum and Ernie off, and we've got the new Torpedo outboard which we got because our old one kept failing, and we thought it would be better just to get something that has less parts, less stuff to service, and it works a charm.
This'll do.
Join us next time for part 2, where we arrive in Jersey.